Hi guys, hope you all are doing well and welcome to my channel. I am Girija and today we are looking into what is this person's energy towards you. So under this person, it could be anybody. It could be your friend, best friend, any relative, your mom, your dad, or also your romantic partner or whoever you might be concerned about. And also this could be your colleague, your co-worker, your boss, or maybe you are their senior at your workspace. So many a times what happens is we get concerned about certain people, and that could really affect our mental as well as our emotional well-being. So let's dive deep into what is this person's energy towards you. Okay, so here are your options. Crystal number one or group number one is sunstone, one of my favorite stones, sunstone. Next is this green color crystal. I am not sure about its name. And the third is clear quartz, raw clear quartz. So these are your options: group number one, group number two, and group number three. You can pick more than one group, so just think about the person that you would like to know about, and I will see you other side. Please do remember this is a generalized reading and don't try to fit into everything that I will be channeling. And you can always book a private reading with me. All the details are in the description box below. I'll see you other side. Hi, group number one, people, those who have chose this sunstone. Here is the reading for you. So immediately, what your person's energy is, I feel this person might be an action oriented and very ambitious and driven kind of a person, and they are very very impulsive as well as very very intelligent. And I'm seeing and I'm feeling a very aggressive kind of energy through this person. And I feel that this person is keeping you in this hangman position where you might be feeling trapped. You might be feeling a bit of anxiety and worry because of this person. Okay, and I'm just feeling that this person themselves, they are going through a great transformation, and that is why there could be certain things which are bothering to you, and with that you are also going through an transformation. But whatever it is, like this person is giving you this stress, anxiety and worry, also sleepless nights, and universe is guiding you to have patience and to just be an observer. And I'm like, the guidance that you are getting is to be poised, to just stop, pause and be an observer in this situation. Maybe this person doesn't has anything personal towards you, but this person themselves, they are going through a certain transformation, certain learnings, and they are also projecting their worries and anxieties on you. So if you feel like your energy is kind of getting like that person's energy, that means they are projecting all this stress, anxiety and worry, and also kind of this feeling of being trapped on you, and you are really getting bothered with that particular person. And let's see what more guidance is coming. Guides are your guidance here is to watch your diet, because I am just sensing that for you personally, you might be feeling very very stuck and stagnant. So if you are changing your diet a bit, like adding or avoiding certain foodstuffs that will keep you on the more higher vibe, and you will be able to deal with this person. And I'm also getting this very very strong that personally you might be on you are on the higher vibe, but this person's energy is keeping you drained. Same card from different deck, the Hanged Man, where you are feeling trapped, or you are not allowed to, or you are not able to take any actions. What else for group number one? What else for group number one? I'm feeling that this person is trapped in some cycles, some repetitive cycles, and that is really bothering you as well as this person. There are high chances that this situation is with regards to finances, and I'm also getting the feeling that this person is one of your family members, and that is really bothering you. Maybe their health is also bothering you. So for your guidance is you have to step into your own power, and like you don't have to take responsibility of this person's happiness. You can step aback, and you can just observe like what things how things are unfolding, and you can always work on yourself. Okay, this is all I have for group number one. I hope you enjoyed this reading, and I wish you all the best. Thank you so much for being here. Hi group number two, people those who have chose this beautiful green color crystal, here is the reading for you. Immediately what I am getting here, for few of you I am getting a very love kind of vibe, a very romantic partner kind of vibe. Of course this is the color of heart chakra. This could be, for most of you it could be an love reading. So immediately what I'm getting is whoever this person is, they want to express themselves, and they want to give some offer to you. And this could be a very raw kind of an idea that is coming towards you. And also this person would like to travel towards you as well as along with you. I am just getting a very strong vibe that this person has been through an huge transformation. They have been through a lot, and so I am also getting this vibe from you. You have also been through a lot of transformation, and already this caterpillar you have turned into an beautiful butterfly. You have learned lots of virtues, lots of lessons, lots of experiences, and finally you are ready to open your wings and fly. This is the vibe that I am getting, and this is also an very supportive kind of vibe that I'm getting from this person, as well as you are very much supportive towards this person. And the world card that is again showing me travel. So this could be very well towards traveling or meeting each other, and again you make each other complete is what I am getting very strong. There are high chances that the offer that is coming towards you is for the solid commitment, or to start something that has a very strong foundation, a deeper commitment, as well as a deeper sense of being together. So I am seeing a very positive energies over here. So if this is a love reading for you, let's see like what romance angels cards are saying for you. It could also be an friendship where you might be. Yes, I am getting very strong feeling that the transformation that you have been through is through the deception of the earlier relationship. This is the transformation that you have, you know, come a very long way, and you have come like a full circle. And next is calling your soulmate. Your prayers, affirmations, and visualizations help bring you both together. So that is a really very fascinating thing. Congratulations to you if you are resonating with this reading. So this could be your soulmate if you are inquiring about, and let's see what more guidance that is coming towards you. And I'm just seeing like you, this person or you or both of you are just transforming from the darker energies to the light, towards more kind of light. There is very fast movement that is happening with this connection. So if you are expecting, like if this person is will be offering you something, so just it is coming towards you faster than you are expecting. All your boredom and wait is getting over. Maybe you are in this energy where you are feeling very bored, stuck and stagnant, but finally this offer is coming towards you. And if you are inquiring with regards to business, with regards to your career, again, through your career you have been through great up and down, and finally you are coming into this energy with a strong foundation, with a solid foundation. So here was your reading, group number 2. I hope you resonated. Please do comment uh, if you are liking these videos, and thank you so much for your presence. I wish you all the best. Thank you. Hi, group number 3, people, those who have chose this beautiful clear chords. I'm just sensing that something is clearing between you and this person regarding whoever you are inquiring. And excuse me, please. Whoever you are inquiring about, I am getting a very motherly and fatherly kind of vibe, or there are high chances that you are becoming and mother or father, however you are resonating with this. And I am also seeing like there is this new beginning in the relationship that is happening. And I am also seeing this person wants to communicate, they want to meet you, they want to travel towards you. And with these cards, I am just getting a very motherly and fatherly kind of vibe. This person is very very nurturing and loving towards you. They are very very warm when it comes to you. So I'm just getting like a very cuddly cozy kind of relation with this particular group. And whatever is happening, whatever this new beginning is, or whatever you are expecting out from this person, it will be happening very very fast. And you will be like in the awe, like how things have changed and transformed for you. And this is like you were waiting for these things to happen. Maybe you are traveling to meet your parents, maybe they are traveling to meet you, or there is some like good news that is coming into your family, or with regards to your work, with regards to your relationship, is what I am seeing. And I am also seeing that ascendant masters, or whoever, whatever the divine energy you believe in, that is like bringing you this beautiful experiences into your life. And I am just seeing that it's going to be an amazing start. For a few of you, I am listening, starting of new business. So you will be the nurturer of this business. You will be that motherly and fatherly energy towards this venture that you are starting, and it's going to be very near to your heart. It is the thing that you had always planned and always wanted to do. So all the things are just synchronistically coming towards you. They are unfolding with divine intervention, and that's really very nice. Again, congratulations to you. Excuse me, please. So I'm just getting a very happy kind of vibe in general from this particular group. And whatever was stuck and stagnant, that is just coming out. You are coming out of this energy. Exactly, you are coming out of this energy, out of this burden of the responsibilities or whatever it was holding you. Also, you are moving fast, you are moving fast out of this stuck stagnant energy, and whoever you are inquiring about, they are helping you to helping you in this transformation. So that there could be a financial help that you are getting from this person, or emotional support, or also they are physically helping you with regards to whatever you are dealing with. And what else? Any more guidance that universe is wanting to show? For few of you, I am seeing that you are coming into food business or hotel industry. You are planning to start an restaurant or a cafe or something like that, or also home cooked food, that I am listening. So that's really very nice. And this tells me that you could be good, very good at cooking. This is just I am listening to. Here and now. So universe is guiding you to stop going into past, stop running into the future, and here and now is to be in the now, to sense, to feel the present moment. And this is how you will actually experience all this delicious experience that life is pouring into your bag. That is really very nice. I hope you all enjoyed this reading. Let me please know how this is resonating with your life at this moment. And thank you so much for being here. Bye. Thank you.